Hey, good to see you. Welcome to Plus Point Media. Today we will tell you what the 9/11 disaster is related to the United States of America in the light of numerology. In numerology, the rolling number of country can be determined by calculating the numerical value of its name and independence date. The rolling number of the United States of America based on its date of independence is 5, and the rolling number of the United States of America based on its name is 3, and the rolling number of 9/11/2001 based on the date is 5. The rolling number of the United States of America can be interpreted as either 3 or 5 depending on the method used. Numerologically, the number 3 represents creativity, social interaction, and expression, while the number 5 signifies freedom, adventure, and change. Both numbers encapsulate significant aspects of American spirit and identity. Numerology, which involves finding hidden meaning in number and the influence on events and personalities, can be applied to significant events in history, including the tragic events of September 11, 2001. Let's explore the numerological significance of 9/11 and its connection to the United States. To analyze the numerological significance of 9/11/2001, we break down the date into individual components and reduce them to a single digit. Month September 9, day 11, year 2001. Sum of the components is equal to 14. Now reduced to a single digit is equal to 5. The rolling number of the date 9/11/2001 is 5, to indicate a time of growth and expansion, but with the need for balancing the creative and social energies. Significance of the number 5. The number 5 is numerology is associated with change, freedom, unpredictability, and transformation. It signifies pivotal moments that lead to significant shifts and alteration. The attacks on September 11, 2001 indeed marked a transformative period in American history, leading to substantial changes in national security, foreign policy, and global relations. Both the numerology of the 9/11 attacks and the USA's ruling number of its independence date are 5. This indicates a shared theme of transformation and change. The ruling number influence suggests a capacity for the nation to undergo significant changes and adopt a new realities. Master number 11. The presence of the master number 11 on the date of attack highlights deeper spiritual lesson or insight that emerged from the tragedy. It points to a period of enlightenment and revelation for the nation and its people. Completion and reflection. The month of September 9 signifies a period of ending and introspection. The attacks promoted the USA to reflect on its security policies and global role, leading to the revelation and new strategies moving forward. Transformation and adaptation. The number 5's prominence underscores the transformative impact of 9/11 on the United States. The country had to adapt to new security measures, policies, and a changed global landscape, reflecting the dynamic and sometimes chaotic energy of the number 5. Spiritual and ethical revolution. The master number 11 signifies a deeper spiritual awakening. The text lead to national and global introspection about values, ethics, and the pursuit of peace and security. Ending and new beginnings. The number 9's influence in the month of September suggests the end of an era and the beginning of a new chapter in American history, marked by significant policy changes and evolution of national and international priorities. The numerological connection between the 9/11 attacks and the USA highlights them of transformation, adaptation, and spiritual insight. The shared ruling number 5 suggests a period of profound change and the need for the nation to navigate new realities. The presence of master number 11 and the number of 9 adds a layer of spiritual and reflective significance, indicating deeper lessons and the culmination of an era. Through numerology, we can gain an alternative perspective on the profound impact of 9/11 on the United States and its path forward.